How's it going out there, everybody? Moose here. And I thought I'd stop off at this little roadside park here in Manchester, Michigan on my way home from work. It's probably around 9:40 p.m. I'm sorry, about 9:20 p.m. And I just wanted to do a real quick video to kind of explain where I see my channel going, plans for this year, and what I'm in the process of presently doing. We're on the Road King today with miles on the odometer of 66,535 miles. So, Manchester, let's get into this. Let's have a discussion, shall we? Kind of a one-sided discussion, but you can tell me what your thoughts are after the fact. Presently running the Nano from DJI on the chin bar, right there, if you can see that. The DJI Mic 3 on the boom mic, and the Sena with the backup audio, hopefully, if I remember to plug in the mic to that unit. I can't remember. Either way, here we go. So, you may have noticed recently that I have updated the name to my channel from Moose to Moose's Tracks and Snaps. And I want to explain how I came up with that new name or handle. I like to go camping and hiking periodically when I have time on my motorcycle. And I had the other channel, which I still do have, the Moose in the Woods channel. So I thought if I could find a way to rename my main channel and encompass hiking, camping, things like that, that'd be great. So ChatGPT and I had a discussion, and Moose's Tracks meaning walking, going somewhere. But there's a caveat. I also love photography. So I added another portion to the name of snaps. I like to take snapshots. I prefer actual photos, but snaps is a good way to put it. So Moose's Tracks and Snaps. That's our new channel. The name and direction are hand in hand. I plan to put a lot more different videos up on this channel as time carries on. It's not gonna all happen right away, but it will take place. Just after park, I'm a little thirsty. I got a Coke Zero in my coffee cup, so we're gonna stop and have a coffee. We're gonna stop and have a little drink here, and then we'll get back on the road. So. Well, that was a terrible turnaround, wasn't it? Try that again. That's better. Jeez, don't judge me on that. That's horrible. So as you're looking behind me, Moose's Tracks and Snaps. Now, direction of the channel besides the obvious that we just stated, you have probably, if you've been watching, noticed that I've been putting up some videos from last year's trip. I finally got them edited and posted, and I decided to release them slowly, and I'm releasing them every Tuesday at 7 p.m. for the Glacier Park rides, and I think that takes me almost to mid-September. Now, on Friday, I'm posting videos of either tour videos or videos here soon coming up of my trip to my KLIM 7s. And those are also being released at 7 p.m. So videos every Tuesday and Friday at 7 p.m. I have staggered, brought out making an actual scheduling system and some type of Excel sheet to help track things. I'm working on that right now. I'm going to post this video sooner, so this will probably go up, I'm hoping, tomorrow on a Thursday. And I'm thinking if maybe I could add a newer video every week or 2 weeks, that'd be nice on an off day, whatever time I select. Unless you guys would like them all 7 p.m. or 3 p.m. newer videos. I am going to keep Tuesday and Fridays on 7s. The third video of the week, if I do one, it won't be weekly, but it will be a video of maybe some things that are going on, things we're planning, and some things I think are more interesting that I would like to have out there sooner than months down the road. Right now I am presently tracked out right around October with the amount of backlog videos I have from Glacier Park and my ride to Mic, so I have quite a few videos to queue, including shorts. I've also been posting short videos, about 2 or 3 every day since last week, on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I presently have a new Facebook page by the same name, Boost's Tracks and Snaps. I will try to link all this stuff down below that I have, so if you want to go visit or follow, which I would really appreciate, trying to grow the platform, bumpy here, sorry, and get, more engagement. I have a lot of videos I'd like to make, and I'm planning on making a lot of my videos. Jeez, oh, it's horrible. There's an accident up here just the other day. Lady pulled out from a motorcycle and killed him right from this road. I had to head on a swivel. Alright, what do I want? Videos. Talking about. Oh, the new platforms. So I've been posting those, trying little stories throughout the day. We had AI cats, videos on TikTok, little videos while I'm at work, on break, little videos on the road, just little shorts, just something to get engagement. But I'd really like to grow my channel. I'd like to grow my social networking, and I'd love for you all to help me with that. I'm not begging for views, I'm not begging for subscribers, but if you feel, generous, if you'd like to subscribe or follow me, I'd really appreciate it. And I'll try to put all the information down below for each one of those channels' names and links to all those channels. It'll be a slow process, so bear with me as I carry on there. Other than that, not a whole lot more going on. Just living life. Recently been acquired by a well, they call it a merger, but I call it a takeover. I don't know which it really is, but Orchid will eventually be no more. We've been bought by Tascam Lavalier. So I have no idea what the future holds. I don't know what that entails. I don't know if it affects my livelihood. I don't know anything. So it's up in the air, so I'm trying to get some things moving in a different direction. I don't think I'd ever be able to make a living off YouTube, obviously. I've got that type of channel, but it'd be a nice supplement. And I also enjoy doing it. It's still fun, so I can do that fun. Along with that, I've been starting my own eBay store, eBay sales. I've been selling cameras, some motorcycle gear I left over, so I'm really delving into that and enjoying it. So I don't know if I'll make much of that or not, but I'd like to. I've sold a seat, sold 2 of my cameras now, sold one tonight. Never really realized the fees that YouTube took. They get you. Camera sale of about $270 electronic, they get around almost $35, $40 for that. So be ready for that. If you sell on eBay. The seat was sold on Marketplace. That was in my old Triumph. I wasn't planning on shipping it, but I went ahead and did it. Paid half the shipping to the gentleman to get it sold. He lives in California, so I sent it on his way the other day to him in California. Hopefully he'd like to see. We'll see, I guess. Well, we'll see or not. I don't know if I'm running back to this thing. This thing's great. There's a nice seat. It's a Corbin seat. I let them know that it does have a slippery feel to most seats. I don't know why that was. Get it here. Slow it down here. There's one. But those were all the different things I got going on in my life right now. Working toward, trying to make happen. So this channel will really be focused around motorcycle trips, packing, and eating healthier while on the road. The goal of this channel now. Come on, motovlog. Such as this one. This is the second motovlog I've done this year. Did the first one on the bikes. I've done a lot of motovlogging yet this year, and it's already July. It's July 8th. Things are changing.